Hey babes, let's go ahead and get started. So we are going to start off by using some P. Louise Basic Base in the color pink on our lid. I use this because we are using pink eyeshadow today, and this just makes the color look so much more pretty, so much more vibrant when you add it on there. So next we are going to go into this Juvia's Place Warrior palette, and we're going to be using that pretty pink color. We're just going to tap this in. We're not wiping, we're not swiping it on, we're not blending it. We're just patting it into our lid on top of that base. And you'll see once I start really adding it on there that it just makes the color pop so much more. It's so vibrant, it's so pretty. So as I said, we're just tapping this in. So next we're going to go into this other Juvia's Place Warrior palette, and we're going to be using that peachy color. And we are going to blend that into the pink so that we get rid of that harsh line that was created when we added in the base. So next we're going to start adding our glitter. I got this glitter from bulkglitters.com. It is their chunky glitter, and I believe it is called Blushing Pink. I'm using the NYX Glitter Primer. Y'all, this glitter, let me tell y'all, it is bomb, okay? I usually do not go for chunky glitters at all because I assume that they're super heavy, but this is actually very lightweight. It's not heavy at all, and it came out so pretty. Just look at that shimmer, y'all. We want to make sure we don't have any gaps in there. So we're just going to tap that in. We're going to go ahead and prime our eyelashes with our Fenty Beauty mascara. And we are going to add a thin layer of Duo Lash Glue on our lashes. I'm so glad I started doing this and I learned this trick because I was getting so frustrated with the fact that I could not get my lashes and that glue to work together. But once I learned that trick, I've been so great at putting my lashes on with this specific glue. So now we're going to go ahead and start adding in our foundation. I'm using the Fenty Beauty mattifying foundation. Y'all, I'm so proud of myself because I use this brush the entire time. Usually I go in and I blend everything out with the beauty blender, but I didn't have to do that this time. This Instapot brush has really been working in my favor lately. I'm going in with the BH Cosmetics 130 brush, and I'm adding in my concealer that I'm going to highlight with. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Natural. Next, I'm going to sculpt out my nose and my cheeks with the ColourPop Stick Foundation, and this is the color Deep Dark. So I'm just blending out my concealer. This is a Real Techniques brush. I believe that's the Deluxe Crease brush. I know it's not used for this, but I use it for this because it really helps me to get in those tight spaces like under my eyes to blend out that concealer And I like going under my eyes because it really helps me to get that concealer in and hide my bags. So I did switch brushes. I'm going in with the BH Cosmetics setting brush. I'm sorry, that's not BH Cosmetics. That's Real Techniques. I cannot talk today. But yes, I'm using the Real Techniques setting brush to finish blending out and setting in that concealer. So y'all know this is my favorite brush. This is the Instapop cheek brush, and I'm just blending out that contour. So now I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Setting Powder, and I'm just going to press this into my skin. Lately, I have not been baking, and I went back to my old technique of just pressing it into my skin to give it a more natural look. So the color that I'm using is Banana. And again, I'm really getting it under my eyes because it's going to help me to hide my bags. So this is a BH Cosmetics brush as well. I don't remember the number, but I'm going in and I am blending out that contour around my nose. And I'm just adding in a little bit of setting powder on my nose as well. And I'm just going to press that into the skin. So now I didn't show this, but I'm setting my nose with the NW45 Studio Fix powder. So now I'm going in with the NC45, which is my natural color in MAC, and I'm setting everywhere that I highlighted. And this is the Studio Fix powder. I'm going back in with that NW45, and I'm going to set my cream contour. And we're going to blend out everything that we put on our neck, because we can't be looking two-tone, sis. At all. That's not cute. Alright, so now I'm going back into that Warrior palette, and I am going to be using that white eyeshadow to put in my waterline. Alright, so I'm going to be going back into that Warrior palette, and I'm going to be using this brown color. It has a super pretty red undertone. So I like it. It's super pretty. But I added that under my waterline. So now I'm going to go back in with that Fenty Beauty mascara, and I'm going to add that to my bottom lashes so that them lashes can pop and give the eye a bolder look. Look at me feeling myself. I'm cute, y'all. So this is my highlighter. I am using the Watch Me Blush palette. I like to use this as both a highlighter and a blush sometimes, but I mix the cappuccino and I believe the strawberry one together. I don't remember the exact name, but I'll list it in the description below. But I know it's the cappuccino and the pink color. And Watch Me Blush is from Crayon Case, of course. And so I went ahead and added, and I added it in my brows as well to give it a little bit more highlight. So I went in with a nude lip liner. I know y'all probably like, why you use such a light lip liner? But wait, sis, lips is gonna be popping like always. Okay, just wait, watch to the end. So to add some color, I went in with Velvet Teddy and I added a gloss. I'm using the In the Nude gloss by Narcissistic. Shout out to my girl Narcisse for this super bomb gloss. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and until next time, bye.